What's up, guys? This is Richard from A Man About Style, and today we are gonna cook a honey cilantro chicken with resident chef Jeremy from Playin City Catering. But first, Jeremy, what's going on?
Yes, sir. How you doing? My name's Jeremy Bryant. They call me Chef J. I've been cooking for way too many years now. I think 35 years or something like that.
Okay.
We have our own company. It's called Playin City Catering, and we also are the chefs for the Seattle Mariners.
Okay.
We've been doing that since 1999.
There we go. So they know how to cook. Obviously, we are in good hands today, and let's get into it.
Okay, so this works with chicken breast or whatever, but today I'm using a chicken hindquarter. It's got the thigh and the leg on there. And I started just with a little oil, little canola oil is fine. And just a squeeze of fresh lime. Don't use the fake lime juice, get the real good stuff here. And then probably about 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. And a little bit of soy sauce, just a little drizzle. And then I like it spicy, so I like to use sriracha, but I like to use the Chinese chili paste. This is called sambal. Gives it a little background kick to it. And then here I have the fresh cilantro. I like to chop it up a little bit smaller. And then just a little bit of honey. Okay. And then you just kind of mix that all around. And I like to let it actually marinate overnight, believe it or not. We always let the soy lime marinade go 24 hours. And then we come in with the honey cilantro fuse sauce. And then let that soak overnight, or at least a minimum of 4 hours. Now we're ready for the grill. Okay, so now it's been in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Maybe 25 minutes, and it's ready to roll. Then I top it off with the honey cilantro fused sauce, and there you have it.
Alright, guys, here's the chicken. It looks phenomenal. I'm about to eat this. Thanks, Jeremy.
Thank you for having me.
Make sure to check out our resident chef on all of their social platforms. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.